Hello everyone. Today we are doing our ADVMS assignment topic, that is a timetable management system, and which is guided by Assistant Professor Mr. Sanjay, CSC Department, GM University. Myself Maksud MD from CSC GM University 4th Sem A section. Let's introduce our teammates. These are our teammates. Next, move on to introduction. In introduction, a timetable, our project title is a timetable management system. A timetable management system is a software application developed to automate the process of scheduling timetables for a school, colleges, and universities. Means it is a software application which automates the process of scheduling the timetables according to this time scheduling. Next, it eliminates the manual work, reduce error, and handle the constraints like faculty availability, subject allocation, and classroom resource. It eliminates the manual work. It reduces the manual work to enter the time and date table according to it. Fully eliminate the manual work and reduce the errors. It is useful for both students and faculties, and the system helps administrators to generate a conflict-free, optimized timetable and provide a interfaces for faculty and student view their schedule. Here we create a specific timetable. Teachers should be created and retrieve the timetable and download and view the timetable. And student also see the timetable and download or print their timetable. And when the update timetable is shown in the our website. Next, move on to objectives. In objective, to create an efficient and user-friendly system for managing academic schedule, we are creating an user-friendly and managing academic schedules to reduce the time and effort in generating and updating timetables. It reduces the time consuming and avoid the scheduling conflict and ensure the resource optimization to provide a different user access. It provided different user access. For example, faculty and student. Faculty can update or create a timetable according to the schedule, and student role is it can retrieve and download the PDF form of a timetable. Thank you for listening me, and next will be continued by another teammate.
Hello everyone, I am Janet. I am going to explain our system features. Role based access. Here different login for admins, teachers and students. An admin can have the access, they can edit and modify the access. Now auto generate. This system can automatically create a timetable without conflicts. Manual override. That admin can manually adjust the schedule if needed. Conflict detection. It ensures there will be no overlap in staff or classroom schedules. Next, notifications. Users get alerts when there are changes in the timetable. Then PDF exports. This allows the user that can download or print the timetable. Next, the responsive design UI, that is works on both desktop and mobile devices. Next, there will be our sample timetable flow. That is first the admin login. Admin logs into the system and adds course, subject, and faculty details. Auto generation. That system checks all rules and constraints and creates a timetable. Faculty view, that is teachers log in to see their individual schedules. Student step 4. Student access their class-wise timetable. Next, export. Admin can export the timetable as a PDF or print it. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Khadargo Saunur. I'm explaining the next part, that is technologies used in this project. So for the front end, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. And for the backend, we use Python, that is a Flask. And for database, we make use of the MySQL. For visualization, we make use of the Bootstrap tables and full calendar JS. For exporting the PDF, we make use of the JS PDF or a TC PDF. And for authentication and security purpose, we make use of the Flash login with hashing and PHP sessions. Coming to the benefits part, so our project mainly benefits us to that saves a time and reduces so many errors in the scheduling time, and it also prevents overlapping classes and resource conflicts, and it improves the communication between academic faculty and students, and it also provides easy updates which will be reflect timetable changes in the real time. And one of the main benefit is it can be accessible from anywhere, wherever you are, and it requires a responsive web interface to access it from anywhere. So next part will be continued by my next teammate. Over to you.
Hello everyone, I am Arume Sania. I am here to explain the challenges and solutions. The table outlines common scheduling problems in educational institutions and how the system address them. The first is multiple classes or the resources conflicts. Solution is uses inbuilt conflict detection and validation algorithm. It is used to prevent the overlapping scheduling. Next is dynamic changes in schedules. The solution is implements real-time updates with the notification, ensuring users are instantly informed of changes. Next is limited faculty available. Solution is utilizes constant based auto scheduling algorithm to efficiently allocate faculty time. Next is user management and security. The solution is provide secure login and role based access to ensure data privacy and system integrity. Next, conclusion. Next is the conclusion. The timetable management system is highlighted as a valuable tool for educational scheduling. If reduces manual errors, improves efficiency, and enhance more satisfaction. Future possibilities include AI-based optimization and integration with academic portals, suggesting potential for further technological advancement. Thank you.
Let me introduce to our website. It is basically timetable management system. It will ask first role, register as a student or a teacher. First teacher you should be registered. It asks to register. Are you a new user? Already registered? Please log in. Are a new user? Please register. Then teacher should be create a teacher ID and password. Should be like this. And when a registration is success, this will be shown. Next, teacher should be login uh, based on teacher ID and password. When a multiple or incorrect login is should be displayed like this, and then we are create again our teacher registration. Just we can log in into this. When login is success, it show login is success, and teacher teacher login is successful, and it show the created timetable. Enter a branch. I will enter CSC branch and A section, and then it gives the manual input for a time, and it will show time and day, and teacher should be enter manually their subject according to the time and day. Now we can enter our subject like A, B, B, MS. Next, ML. Here our time slot according to date we can put a first Monday timetable, and this 10:30 to 10 to 10:30 will be scheduled as a tea break, and 12:30 to 1:30 scheduled as a lunch break, and inside according to the uh, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday we can put our timetable like above, and just save it. It shows the saved successful, then click OK. uh, Teacher should be retrieve or he entered data is convert as a PDF and download for his reference to it will be print or download the PDF. It can be PDF as print as a PDF format, which is easy to retrieve their timetable according to date and time. Next, we will move on to the student login, and where that we can retrieve our,
क्या बोल रहा है?
we can see the teacher registration and the teacher how can do input the timetable, and uh, the, download the PDF form for the reference. And now we can see the how student registration will be done as a same create and password and student ID, and then you can move to login as a student. We already created our ID and mentioned section, branch, and login. We can successfully log in, and our timetable should be display here, and we can just download printed form. We can just enter these many types, that's why these many subject will be display. We want to print the timetable. This how we can add or retrieve. Student can only retrieve the timetable according to retrieve and download the timetable for their reference. And we can move out our backend databases store. We can use this query as a created database, and database created use timetable create a table, student table and teacher table, and we can also create a timetable. Let me show. This is the student data is entered, and it is a timetable is entered. Thank you very much for listening us our assignment topic. Thank you very much.